This video will show how to replace the pull cord assembly for the UltraGlide Designer Roller and Screen Shades. We'll refer to it as a PCA for the remainder of the video. First, take the PCA and insert the half coupling. Secure the coupling with a cotter pin. Then insert the push nut into the half coupling and ensure the bevel of the push nut is towards the PCA. Align the V shaft into the coupling, lining up the V shaft, and tap into place with a mallet. Attach the drive limit assembly by aligning the shaft with the assembly. Line the V-notch up with the interior and slide the drive limit assembly into place. Install the bottom stop lock onto the assembly. The stop lock has a feature that aligns with the threaded portion of the drive limit assembly. Do not lock it into place. Push the locking collar against the bottom stop lock and tighten with a 5/64" Allen wrench. Our UltraGlide pull cord assembly is now assembled. With the bottom stop lock moving freely, put the bottom limit assembly in the fully raised position. Then, with the fabric rolled tightly, align the features of the bottom limit assembly to the interior channels of the roller tube and insert the pull cord assembly into the roller tube. Attach the cord tassel and cord connector by tying a knot at each end of the cord. Then screw the cord connector bottom to the cord connector top, attached to the pull cord assembly. Install the shade on an inspection rack and lower the shade to the desired length plus 3/8 of an inch. Then raise the shade, keeping it rolled up tightly, and remove it from the rack. Keeping the bottom bar tight to the fabric roll, slowly and gently remove the PCA from the roller tube and ensure that nothing rotates when removing the PCA. The bottom stop will have moved to its travel location and is at the bottom of the shade. Do not turn the bottom stop in any way. Snap the bottom stop into the bottom stop lock and secure it into place. Return the pull cord assembly into the tube, inserting the bottom stop in the same interior channels of the roller tube without the fabric or the limit turning in any way, as this will affect the bottom limit of the shade. Install the shade on the inspection rack and lower the shade to ensure it is the desired length.